So class 6th, in the previous lecture we have finished up till here, and now we are going to start with the unit number 4, sports. So we are going to start from here. Unit 4, sports. Sports and games are an excellent form of entertainment. As you all know, they keep you fit and they are equally important in your life, right? If you want to remain physically and mentally fit, so sports and games are a vital part of your life. So they are excellent form of entertainment also all around the world, and they develop us physically and emotionally also, and at the same time they keep our intelligence and our reflexes awake. So but above all, sports and games provide an opportunity to enjoy the company of people around us, be they are the family or the friends, or sports and games bring people of different countries closer to each other and unite them. So it does not matter whether you win or lose. The most important thing is that you have to participate in the game. That is the most important thing. Either you win or you lose, that is not at all important. The important thing is that you have to participate, and you have participated with full mind and body. So that means you are giving your 100%. That is the most important thing. The unit sports consist of 4 sections, and the first one is the greatest Olympic prize, second one is magician with a ball, third the Olympic game, and the fourth sportsman. So these lessons will probably encourage you to develop the spirit of games in your young children and the sportsman spirit also. So you should learn that winning the game is not important. The most important thing is that you should participate with full vigor. So with this we start with the lesson. So this is the lesson, my greatest Olympic prize. So it was the summer of 1936. The Olympic Games were held in Berlin. Because of the Adolf Hitler childishly insisted that his performers were the members of master race, nationalistic feelings were running high. So in this, we are talking about the Olympic Games, and we are talking about the year 1936. It was the summer of 1936, and Olympic Games during that year were held in Berlin. So, because Adolf Hitler, he was speaking in a very childish manner. He insisted that his performers were the members of master race, means they were superior to all. Master race here means the race superior to all the races. So in this lesson you will come to know about the racial discrimination also. So this Jesse Owen is an Negro. So in a means in sometimes during this events and games, he has also faced a bit of racial discrimination. So here Adolf Hitler, who was the um, leader of this, so he was very speaking in a childish manner, and he insisted, he was very much of the thought that his performers were the members of the master race, means they were superior race. Nationalistic feelings were running high. So nationalistic feelings means patriotic feelings, feeling proud of your country. So they were especially strong. They were running high means they were especially strong, and it wasn't too worried about all this. So I wasn't too worried about all this. So this Jesse Owens says that I was not worried about all this racialism. I had trained and sweated, disciplined myself for 6 years. So he has been training himself. Sweated means उसने बहुत मेहनत से पसीना बहा के डिसिप्लिन में रह के 6 ईयर्स तक उसने ट्रेनिंग की है विद द गेम्स इन माइंड, और उसके माइंड में यही था कि आई हैव टू विन द ओलंपिक्स, आई हैव टू विन द गोल्ड मेडल. So while I was going over to on the boat, all I could think about was taking home one or two of these goals. So when he was practicing about this, so we have started this on 24th of November, right? And we have completed here also. We have finished up till here. So when he was practicing about his Olympic Games, he was a participant of long jump. So he has sweated and he has been trained, disciplined himself for 6 years, and with games in mind while he was going over on the boat. Means ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू हिज एक्सट्रीम्स, वो बहुत ज़्यादा कड़ी मेहनत कर रहा था. ऑल आई कुड थिंक अबाउट वॉज टेकिंग होम वन और टू ऑफ दीज गोल्ड मेडल्स. मीन्स ही वॉज practicing very hard, sweating a lot, and working very hard because he wanted to take one or two gold medals home. So I had my eye especially on the long jump, and his main uh, event was a long jump. A year before, I had set the world record of 26 feet 8.5 inches, and everyone expected me to win that Olympic event very easily. So last year, he had made the record of this this much, 26 feet 8.5 inches, and this time also everybody was expecting me to win the event very easily. So, what happened next? I was in for a surprise when the time came for the long jump trials. So, the time came that they have to give the trial for the long jump. So, I was startled. This is startled, not started. T के बाद L भी लगेगा. Startled. I was startled means I was alarmed, I was surprised, I was disturbed, I was shocked to see a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice leaps. So, to his surprise, Jesse was very much surprised, startled, disturbed, alarmed to see that there was one other guy, tall boy, hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice leaps. So, he happened to be the German named Luz Long, and his name was Luz Long. He was a German player. I was told that Hitler had kept him hidden away, evidently hoping he would win the jump. So he came to know about that Adolf Hitler, was the leader of that moment. So he has kept him hidden, and he has just showed him. So Adolf Hitler has kept him hidden, and evidently Adolf Hitler was very much of the very much confident about that his boy Luz Long will definitely win the jump. So I thought if Long won, it would add some new support to the Nazis. So during that time, this racialism was on a peak. Racialism means color discrimination, because this boy was Negro, and this Adolf Hitler, he was a white. So a lot of racialism was going on during that time, and that is why he has made one of his means one of his best performance. He kept hidden that Luz Long, and he just made him enter the event just before the trials. So Jesse was startled to see him, but he thought that if long run means अगर ये German boy win करता है, तो it would be a support to Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. So there was some movement going on, Nazi Aryan superiority theory. They think that Aryans are a superior race. So if he won, means if Luz Long won, because he was a white boy, German boy. So अगर वो जीतता है इवेंट, तो इनकी मूवमेंट को थोड़ा सा और सपोर्ट मिल जाएगा. Because after all, I am a Negro and a little angry at Hitler's ways. Because Jesse was a Negro and he was feeling angry that what this was unfair means that Hitler was doing. So I determined to go out there and really showed Der Führer and his master race who was superior and who wasn't. So what he decided, Jesse was a bit angry at Hitler's ways. उसको उसके तरीके अच्छे नहीं लग रहे थे. तो he decided that he went to his leader of Adolf. Leader of Adolf कौन था? Der Führer. Der Führer. Führer. So he went to him and he told him that this is the thing that Hitler has done, Adolf Hitler, and his master race who was superior and who was not. So जैसे जो जेसी ओवंस, वो जाकर उसके लीडर से मिला और उसने वहाँ पे उसे सब बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे एडोल्फ ने किया है. An angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistakes. So डेफिनेटली जैसी जो था उसको गुस्सा आया हुआ था। वो एथलीट एथलीट तो था ही, बट उसको गुस्सा इसलिए आया हुआ था क्योंकि एकदम ट्रायल से पहले एक नई एंट्री होती है एंड वो काफ़ी अच्छा प्ले कर रहा है लजलोंग, तो जैसी को बुरा लग रहा था। ही वॉज एंग्री, ही वॉज एथलीट। तो अगर आप गुस्से में होते हैं तो आप ज़्यादा मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, ये मानी हुई बात है, क्योंकि आपका दिमाग उस वक्त गर्म होता है। मीन्स आप उस वक्त ये नहीं सोच रहे होते कि कामली नहीं सोचते, क्योंकि अगर आपको इफ़ यू वांट टू विन द गेम ना, विन एनीथिंग, so you have to think quietly, you have to remain calm, only then you can win the game. So at that time he was feeling very angry. Jesse was very angry, so definitely he will make mistakes. As a coach will tell you, I was no exception. So on the first day of my 3 qualifying jumps, the first day Aya, on that day he had to qualify between these 3 qualifying jumps. They were told to jump 3 times, and during that 3 jumps they have to qualify that, they have to pass that exam कि आपको इतनी लिमिट तक इतना जंप करना, ओनली देन यू विल बी eligible to enter this event. So on that day, on the first of my 3 qualifying, I leaped from several inches beyond the takeoff board for no jump. And he jumped there several inches beyond, means उसने थोड़ा सा उसके पीछे से सेवरल इंचेस बियॉन्ड द टेक ऑफ बोर्ड से उसने थोड़ा सा पीछे से जंप किया, और वो उसका किस कैटेगरी में आया? नो जंप। ऑन द सेकेंड जंप आई वॉज इवन वर्स, और सेकेंड जंप उसने जब किया क्वालिफाई करने के लिए दिया तो वो उससे भी ज़्यादा बुरा था अटैम्प्ट। डिड आई कम 3000 माइल्स फॉर दिस? तो उसको जैसी को अपने आप पे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था कि ये सब मैं ये करने के लिए मैं इतनी दूर से 3000 माइल से मैं यहाँ तक आया। आई थॉट बिटरली, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा था। आई थॉट बिटरली टू फेल इन द ट्रायल्स एंड मेक ए फूल ऑफ माई सेल्फ। और उसको अपने अटैम्प्ट पे, अपने ट्रायल्स पे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था कि मैं ये कैसे कर रहा हूँ अटैम्प्ट। तो उसको ये लग रहा था कि अगर मैं इसमें फ़ेल हो गया, ट्रायल्स में ही फ़ेल हो गया, तो मेरा ही मजाक उड़ जाएगा। आई विल मेक अ फूल ऑफ माई सेल्फ। सो वॉकिंग अ फ्यू यार्ड्स फ्रॉम द पिट, तो वो वहाँ से, मतलब पहले दिन वो क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाया। उसने 2 जंप्स दिए और दोनों ही बेकार थे। तो वो वहाँ से थोड़ा दूर गया, फ्यू यार्ड्स फ्रॉम द पिट आई किक्ड डिस्गस्टिकली एट द ग्राउंड। तो जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा उदास होते हैं, हताश होते हैं, जब आपसे कोई काम नहीं हो रहा, एंड व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग हार्ड टू डू, एंड व्हेन you have no choice and you have to do that thing, so at that time you feel very disgusted when you are not able to do that thing. आपको बुरा लगता है कि ये काम मुझसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा, ये मुझे करना है, हर हाल में करना है। Why? Because you are angry at that time and your mind is not calm, so you just can't think right. So during that disgust he kicked the ground. सडनली ही फेल्ट अ हैंड ऑन हिज शोल्डर। तो जैसे ही उसने किक किया, उसको फील हुआ कि उसके शोल्डर पे किसी ने हाथ रखा है। आई टर्न टू लुक इन टू अ फ्रेंडली ब्लू आइज ऑफ द टॉल जर्मन लॉन्ग जंपर, एंड वेन ही टर्न ही वॉट ही फाउंड दैट द सेम बॉय लज लॉन्ग, ही वॉज वेरी टॉल जर्मन लॉन्ग जंपर, वाइट कलर्ड एंड ब्लू आइज। उसकी एक तो जर्मन था, तो ही वॉज अ वाइट कलर्ड, वाइट कम्प्लेक्शनड, ब्लू आइज थी और बहुत टॉल था, लॉन्ग जंपर। सो ही हैड ईजीली क्वालिफाइड फॉर द फाइनल्स ऑन हिज फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट, और उसने बहुत ईजीली अपने फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट में ही क्वालिफाई कर लिया था फाइनल में जाने के लिए। एंड ही ऑफर्ड मी अ फर्म हैंडशेक। तो ही ऑफर्ड मी अ फर्म हैंडशेक मीन्स उसने अपना हाथ आगे बढ़ाया हैंडशेक के लिए। सो जेजी एविंस, आई एम लज लॉन्ग। तो उसने अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस किया दैट आई एम लज लॉन्ग जेजी, आई डोंट थिंक वी हैव मेट। तो उसने खुद बोला कि हम शायद नहीं मिले हैं। एंड वी स्पोक, एंड ही स्पोक इंग्लिश वेल दो विद अ जर्मन ट्विस्ट टू इट। सो ही वॉज स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इन अ वेरी गुड वे, बट विद अ जर्मन ट्विस्ट, मीन्स उसमें जर्मन का एक्सेंट आ रहा था। Glad to meet you, I said. Then, trying to hide my nervousness, I added, how are you? So, Jesse, in return, he said, glad to meet you. खुशी हुई आपसे मिलके. And he was trying to hide his nervousness because he was feeling very bad at his failure of his attempt. So, to avoid his nervousness, he just said, how are you? I'm fine. The question is, how are you? So, in return, the Lazlong, he replied, I am fine, but I want to know that how are you? What do you mean? I asked. तो जब उसने ऐसे पूछा ना कि तुम कैसे हो, तो मैंने आगे से बोला, जैजी ने बोला, व्हाट यू मीन, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ, वाई यू आस्किंग मी लाइक दैट हाउ आर यू, समथिंग मस्ट बी ट्रबलिंग यू, ही सेड. सो वो आप जैसी की जो नर्वसनेस थी उसको भाप गया था. सो he said that I think something is troubling you and you should be able to qualify with your eyes shut. So he said, I know you very well. You are a very good long jumper, and I think something is troubling you. Something is really going wrong, because I think that you can qualify very easily. With your eyes shut means very easily. So believe me, I know it. So Jazzy said in return, yes, I know that I can do it. I told him, and it felt too good to say that to someone. तो जैजी ने बोला कि मुझे मालूम है, बिलीव मी, मुझे मालूम है कि ये मैं बहुत इजीली कर लूँगा. एंड व्हेन ही सेड दिस ना टू दैट लाजलोंग, ही फेल्ट गुड इन हिमसेल्फ. उसको खुद को अच्छा लगा कि जब उसने कहा कि हाँ मुझे मालूम है ये मैं बहुत इजीली क्वालिफाई कर लूँगा.